Planning to visit Cambodia? Here's a clear and simple guide to the Cambodia eVisa process and the documents you need. Start by completing the online Cambodia eVisa application form. Enter your personal and travel details carefully and make sure all information matches your passport. For both Cambodia eVisas, you must upload a clear scan of your passport, a recent application photo, your round-trip flight ticket, and hotel reservation documents. For the tourist eVisa Type T, if the trip is self-financed, upload your last 3 months' bank statements. For the ordinary eVisa Type E, you must provide a letter of invitation. Once submitted, your application is reviewed. The Cambodia eVisa is usually processed within the standard processing time shown on the application page. After approval, your Cambodia eVisa is sent to your email. Print a copy and carry it with your passport when traveling. Follow these steps, upload the correct documents, and you'll be ready to travel to Cambodia with confidence.